Moving Naturalism Forward, Advancing Our Understanding of the Natural World. Naturalism, the philosophical stance that posits the natural world as the only reality and rejects the existence of supernatural entities or forces, has been a cornerstone of scientific inquiry and philosophical thought for centuries. As our understanding of the natural world continues to evolve, it is imperative to explore how naturalism itself can progress. In this 3,000-word essay, we will delve into the concept of moving naturalism forward, examining the challenges and opportunities it presents for advancing our understanding of the natural world and the implications it holds for science, philosophy, and our broader worldview. Chapter 1: The Foundations of Naturalism. Naturalism, as a philosophical perspective, can be traced back to ancient Greece, with thinkers like Thales and Democritus exploring the idea that the natural world is governed by natural laws rather than divine intervention. Over time, this perspective gained prominence and laid the groundwork for the development of modern science. The scientific revolution of the 16th and 17th centuries ushered in a new era of inquiry, driven by empirical observation and experimentation. Thinkers like Galileo, Newton, and Descartes helped establish the naturalistic worldview by emphasizing the role of observation, measurement, and evidence-based reasoning in understanding the universe. Chapter 2: Challenges to Naturalism. While naturalism has been a powerful framework for understanding the world, it has not been without its challenges. One of the most significant challenges has come from the philosophy of religion, which posits the existence of a supernatural realm beyond the natural world. The tension between naturalism and religious beliefs has been a long-standing debate, with scholars and theologians engaging in dialogues about the compatibility of these worldviews. Another challenge arises from the limits of human perception and cognition. Naturalism assumes that everything in the universe is explainable through natural processes, but there are phenomena, such as consciousness and the origin of the universe, that remain deeply mysterious and have led to ongoing debates within the scientific and philosophical communities. Chapter 3: Moving Naturalism Forward, Expanding Our Knowledge. Advancing naturalism requires a commitment to expanding our knowledge of the natural world through rigorous scientific inquiry and critical philosophical analysis. One way to do this is by promoting interdisciplinary research that draws upon various fields of science, such as physics, biology, psychology, and neuroscience, to gain a comprehensive understanding of complex phenomena. For example, the study of consciousness, often considered a challenge to naturalism, can benefit from the integration of research from neuroscience, psychology, and philosophy. By combining empirical data with philosophical insights, researchers can make significant strides in demystifying the nature of consciousness and its relationship to the brain. Chapter 4: The Role of Philosophy in Advancing Naturalism. Philosophy plays a crucial role in advancing naturalism by critically examining its underlying assumptions and addressing its limitations. Philosophers can contribute to this endeavor by engaging in debates about the nature of causation, the boundaries of science, and the philosophical implications of scientific discoveries. One area where philosophy intersects with naturalism is the philosophy of science. By scrutinizing scientific methodologies, the philosophy of science helps ensure that scientific investigations are conducted rigorously and that scientific claims are based on sound evidence. It also explores questions about scientific realism, scientific explanation, and the nature of scientific laws, all of which are central to naturalism. Chapter 5: Ethical and Moral Dimensions of Naturalism. Naturalism not only shapes our understanding of the natural world but also influences our ethical and moral beliefs. Ethical naturalism, for instance, asserts that ethical values and principles can be grounded in natural facts and processes, challenging the notion that moral values require a supernatural foundation. Advancing naturalism in ethics involves exploring the origins of morality, the evolution of ethical behaviors, and the application of naturalistic ethics to contemporary ethical dilemmas, such as environmental ethics and bioethics. This approach can provide a solid framework for addressing ethical questions without invoking supernatural entities. Chapter 6: Education and Public Engagement. To move naturalism forward, it is essential to engage the broader public in discussions about science, philosophy, and the naturalistic worldview. Education plays a pivotal role in this process, as it equips individuals with the critical thinking skills and knowledge needed to understand and appreciate naturalism. Promoting science literacy and philosophy education can empower individuals to evaluate claims about the natural world critically. It also encourages the public to embrace naturalistic values, such as evidence-based reasoning, skepticism, and a commitment to empirical inquiry. Chapter 7: The Implications for Society and Policy. Advancing naturalism has profound implications for society and public policy. By relying on naturalistic principles, policymakers can make informed decisions about issues such as climate change, healthcare, and technology regulation. Evidence-based policy can help address societal challenges more effectively and ensure that public resources are allocated efficiently. Moreover, a naturalistic worldview fosters a commitment to rational discourse and the pursuit of common goals based on shared values. It can serve as a foundation for fostering cooperation and addressing global challenges, from environmental conservation to public health. Moving naturalism forward is not just a philosophical endeavor. It is a call to action for scientists, philosophers, educators, policymakers, and the broader public. It is an invitation to continue exploring the natural world with curiosity and rigor, to engage in thoughtful debates about the boundaries of science and philosophy, and to promote evidence-based reasoning and ethical values grounded in the natural world. As we advance our understanding of the natural world and embrace the principles of naturalism, we have the opportunity to shape a society that values reason, science, and critical thinking. In doing so, we can address the pressing challenges of our time and build a future that is more just, sustainable, and in harmony with the natural world. Moving naturalism forward is not just a philosophical endeavor. It is a pathway to a more enlightened and informed world.